Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text transparent in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Then go to a blank page. Then go to the tools section and select the place tool. Then I am choose a picture from our file and click open. Then place the picture to this page. Then again go back the tools section and select the frame text tool and draw a text frame over the picture. Then write anything to this text frame. Now we can see we write a text. Then firstly select the text, click and drag on our mouse and select this font color option, and we can see here the opacity of the font. You can decrease the opacity. Then click outside of the page and we can see we make a text transparent very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.